Samsung is quietly gearing up for something massive with One UI 8 and the My Files app. Yes, that humble file manager we all use but rarely think about is getting a complete makeover that might just blow your mind. This isn't just a fresh coat of paint, it's a full on transformation that makes My Files look and feel like it belongs in 2025. And trust me, once you see what's coming, you'll never look at your file manager the same way again. If you use a Galaxy device, you already know how essential My Files is. It's your digital control room, organizing everything from your cherished photos to important documents. But with One UI 8, it's being reimagined with a stunning new interface and smarter, more intuitive features designed to elevate your everyday experience. Leaked screenshots are giving us a glimpse at a sleeker, more modern design language. The app still keeps its iconic title centered at the top. Wait, but everything else? Sharper fonts, improved spacing, and a layout that just screams premium. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't just look good, it feels good to use. Categories like images, videos, audio, and documents are also being refreshed. Instead of the old school big icons with labels underneath, you're getting compact, colorful, rounded buttons with labels neatly aligned to the side. It's a subtle change, but it makes a big difference in how clean and intuitive the app feels. But here's where it starts to really shine. Ever open My Files and feel lost in the clutter? One UI 8 is changing that with a brand new way to show you what's new. You'll now see a notification like two new files added recently, paired with a sleek little orange dot to catch your eye instantly. And the preview thumbnails? Bigger and better spaced, making it way easier to scroll through your content without the mental overload. Even the storage section is stepping up. Now you'll see not only your internal storage stats, but also your OneDrive cloud usage, all in one clean, streamlined view. No more tapping endlessly through menus just to figure out what's eating up your space. What makes this update special isn't just the aesthetics, it's the intelligence behind every little tweak. Samsung is clearly focused on making your digital life smoother, more organized, and just plain better. My Files under One UI 8 is looking smarter, sleeker, and more powerful than ever, without losing the simplicity that made it so useful in the first place. And while none of this has been officially confirmed by Samsung yet, if the leaks are even half true, we're in for an experience that's not just upgraded, it's redefined. So here's the deal. If you care about clean design, smarter features, and using your Galaxy device to its full potential, this is an update you'll want to watch closely. Stick around, because we've got more One UI 8 coverage coming soon. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're excited, and subscribe for the latest and greatest updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.